You're on board the news track. The war in the Punjab Congress is getting uglier. Captain Amrinder Singh has hit back after the Congress said that there is no place for anger in politics. Meanwhile, the BJP has invited Amrinder Singh to join hands against the Congress.
Sidhu appointed Punjab Congress chief. Amrinder unceremoniously eased out ahead of polls. Dalit Sikh appointed as chief minister. But despite all efforts by Gandhis, Congress Punjab fire is still raging. Now a sulking Amrinder, plotting revenge, may have a new ally. The BJP, waiting in the wings, has sent out a clear invite to nationalist Amrinder, offering to join forces.
राष्ट्रवादी अमरिंदर सिंह जो कांग्रेस की इस गंदी साजिश में बाधा थे, उनका राजनीतिक तौर पर कत्ल कर दिया। कांग्रेस के ये जो गेम प्लान है, इसको फेल करने के लिए ना केवल अमरिंदर सिंह को, सभी ताकतों को इकट्ठा होकर इनको धाराशायी करना चाहिए।
The BJP quoted Amrinder's own words against Sidhu and alleged a Pakistan Congress conspiracy to install Sidhu and destabilize Punjab.
पाकिस्तान के प्रेसिडेंट इमरान खान और वहाँ के आर्मी चीफ बाजवा के मित्र नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू और उसके साथियों को सत्ता में लाने का कांग्रेस की राष्ट्र विरोधी गहरी साजिश है।
Amrinder has been terming Sidhu as anti-national, citing his closeness with Pakistan and its army.
I will oppose him tooth and nail, Rajdeep. I will never allow that man to come. He is an anti-national element. I will not allow him. He is too mixed up with Pakistan. Indian soldiers are being killed and he's hugging that damn Bajwa fellow or Imran Khan, and the speeches he gave at Kartarpur in praise of Imran Khan and all this sort of thing. We are not all fools, you know.
The Sidhu camp meanwhile kept cutting down Amrinder to size. Chief Minister Charanjit Channi sacked all top officials and political appointees by captain. Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi meanwhile met and tried to pacify key Amrinder loyalist Sunil Jakhar, who had lost out in the CM race due to Congress's decision to pick a Sikh face. With Manjeet Sehgal in Chandigarh and Anand Patel in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.